In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file upload button to a form in Wix. This feature is incredibly useful if you need to collect files from your users, like resumes, photos, or other documents. Let's dive right into the process, which is simple and straightforward. Start by accessing your site in the Wix editor. Once you've opened it, click on the form you wish to modify. It's important to make sure you're selecting the correct form, especially if your website hosts multiple forms serving different purposes. With your desired form selected, locate the Edit Form option and give it a click. This will open up the form editor, setting the stage for the customization we're about to tackle. Next, it's time to add the file upload field. In the form editor menu, towards the left side, you should see the add button. Go ahead and click this. Depending on the version of the editor you're using, you'll either look under general or advanced fields to find the file upload option. Once you find file upload, click on it. This action will integrate the file upload button directly into your list of form elements, ready to be placed and customized. With the file upload button now a part of your form elements, let's proceed to place and personalize it. Click on the file upload button and drag it to where you want it on your form. Strategically positioning this button can enhance the user experience, so think about where it makes the most sense for your users. After positioning it, click the button to open its settings on the right side of the editor. This is where the magic happens. You can start customizing. Here's what you can do. Add a field title or modify the button text to make it clear what you expect users to upload. Specify accepted file types to ensure only the document types you require are submitted. This might include images, PDFs, or other documents. You can also set a limit on the file size to prevent users from uploading excessively large files, which could affect your site's performance. Finally, if the document is essential, remember to mark the field as required. Also, take some time to play with any design or layout options until they match your aesthetic and functional needs. Lastly, it's crucial to save and test your changes. Hit save or publish to ensure everything you've done is applied. To avoid any hiccups, use the preview mode. This will allow you to test your new upload button. Check how it looks and feels. Ensure all settings like required fields and file type limits are functioning as planned. And that's it! You've successfully enhanced your Wix form with a file upload button, making your website more interactive and user-friendly. Happy website building!